So in this video we are going to see that how can you draw this pyramid landscape illustration in Infinite Painter, and you can download the color palette from the link in the description. And you can visit my channel for watching more such tutorials. So let's get started. First of all, change the background color into black from the top right corner. Now use the Monoline brush from the calligraphy slot, create a circle in the center of the canvas and fill the color in it. After filling the color, you can also change the shape and size, and you can move that circle using the wrap tool. Clip a new layer on top of that so that whatever you draw will only appear within the clipped layer. Now use the Banksy brush from the legacy slot at softness 60 for adding more colors. Add some little blue and yellow in the center. Now use some pink too. Now use the Monoline brush from the calligraphy slot, draw a straight line and cover all the sides so that the color won't come out. Now add a new layer and keep it below that layer. Now using the same brush, create a triangle and fill the color in it. Now select that layer and using the same brush you can draw a straight line in the right side and cover all the sides and fill the color in it. Now use shaded brush from the harmony and draw some horizontal lines using the white color and the dark blue color. And you can decrease the opacity if needed. Now duplicate that pyramid layer and move one of them using the wrap tool so that you can add more and more pyramids in the artwork. Now draw some random line using the shaded brush from the harmony using the white color. Keep this layer below the pyramid layer so it won't hide the pyramids. And decrease the opacity to around 20 to 30. Now add a simple layer not clipped and use the shaded brush from the harmony for drawing some clouds using the white color.